Okay, this will be a quick video on how to attach the Vive crutch pouch and hand grips. Right now, I have the crutch pouch partially attached just as kind of an example, and we'll go over all the individual steps that that'll take to fully attach it. The easiest place to start is with the side straps. They are two straps, a hard Velcro and a soft Velcro that basically just sandwich together. You'll wrap the soft Velcro strap around the metal frame of the crutch first with the hard Velcro just to go over it to secure it down. This is the back of the pouch, by the way. There's the front. Let's kind of pop this out so we can see a little better. Here in the back, you'll see this stitching here is for the actual pocket closure Velcro that you won't need to deal with in this video. There's a soft Velcro patch here and here under this strap. See that there? And just on the inside, you'll see, and you'll be able to feel, a hard Velcro patch. Now, the strap, I'll show you an example. Each of these long straps that go around the hand grip of the crutch will have both a hard and a soft Velcro patch. They're going to be on the same side of the strap. They're only on one side. That'll end up being the inside. What you'll do is attach a portion of that hard Velcro from the strap to this soft Velcro patch on the pouch, and then vice versa, the soft Velcro on the strap to the hard Velcro on the inside of the pouch, like I've done here. So you'll see there, and then on the inside, I'll try and get you a view here. Like that. So here's the soft Velcro on the strap and the hard Velcro on the pouch. Just fasten those down. There's quite a bit of Velcro on each end of the strap, so you've got adjustability. But this one I've kind of attached it fairly short. And then from there, all you'll need to do is attach the hand grip. Now to attach the hand grip, which I've got here, you'll feel a softer fabric side near the logo, or on the logo side of the grip, and then a firmer sort of non-slip neoprene inside. This is what you're going to wrap against the actual grip. Just like so. You'll bring the soft Velcro here around and under, and attach the hard Velcro under the Vive tag to it, and it'll go around the grip there, and you'll be all set. Okay, so now I've got everything all attached together. Just wanted to show how it all looks. Just as a quick tip, I recommend putting the grip on first and then the straps for the pouch. You can see underneath here that the Vive logo is facing down. This just makes sure, as you can see kind of in cross section there, that most of the padding for the hand grip is going to be right where you're putting all the weight when you're using your crutches. That should just about do it.